So hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. And as you can see that we have something special here with us. So yes, we got the Astral set, but wait a second, I already made a video on it. So why again? Because it's not a Takara Tomy, it's a flame. So guys, for your reference, this is my Astral Spiegel set from Takara Tomy. So there is a slight change in shape and size between Flame and Takara Tomy, but they copied pretty much everything, I guess. So let's see if the inside material is also a good copy or not. So guys, without wasting any more further time, so let's open this box. So this is all we get. Let me keep aside the box. Okay. So guys, this is all the stuff we get. This is our Astral Spriggan. So these are two extra drivers and a Blitz disc. And here we have Cyclone Belial stickers, which we actually don't care about, and a Ripcord sparking launcher. So guys, Indian sellers are doing awful lot of cost cutting. They couldn't include a DB launcher. I mean, what to say, they included this thing. Okay, we'll test it out later. So let me open these one by one. So this is all the stuff we get, and as usual guys, the flame disc doesn't seem as good as TT, so that is there. And guys, this survive tip does have metal, so that's good to see, but it's a flat tip, it's not a survive tip anymore. So we'll compare in a moment, but let's keep it for now. So here we have Quattro. So guys, after a while I was able to move this Quattro around, but trust me, it is nowhere close to what actual TT does. So this thing is not really that smooth. It is really hard to move, honestly. So you can see how painful it is getting for me, but I think after a while it could get a little bit easier. So we got that metal ball tip, a unite driver kind of a tip, then this seems like more of a balance type tip, attack type rubber flat, and then again metal ball tip. So Quattro is a pretty good copy, but as usual the build quality is pretty cheap. It is nowhere close. So guys, in a moment we'll do all the comparisons. So guys, you can see all the parts here. So this side is Flame and this side is Takara Tomy. So for your comparison, let me show you the difference of the finishing between Flame and Takara Tomy. You can see this looks a bit cheaper, but this looks quite premium. I mean, that is expected from a brand like Takara, right? And same goes at the back. White part is obviously plastic and this is rubber. And all these parts, they look pretty cheap, honestly. I mean, by the looks, you can say they are pretty cheap. So that's the difference between the Astral layer. Now, talking about S gear, so this one is Takara Tomy and this one is Flame. So when you compare them side by side, there is a slight difference in terms of weight, in terms of color. This one is darker, this one is lighter, and it feels premium, but this feels like a cheap plastic. So now the disc, we have discussed a lot about it. So obviously this looks cheap. Even I have used this a lot and still you can see the finish. It's still shining as good. So disc is where they have to improve, and I mean, that doesn't look good, honestly. And guys, same goes for Nexus disc as well. So now talking about the Blitz disc. So Blitz also looks pretty cheap. I mean, the paint job is pretty decent. By the paint, you cannot say it's a fake. It looks pretty close. But when you turn it around, you see the plastic, you can say, yeah, it's a fake. So guys, that's where they lag. So obviously, I can put up with the plastic, but in terms of metal, they are pretty bad. And this one is Flame Cyclone Belial and this one is Takara Tomy one. So it's also the same case as Astral. So this one is also pretty cheap in terms of plastic. The rest of the stuff is okay. So if I move it closer, you can see the finishing. In this part, you can see the gold and all. This looks pretty great, but in this one, it actually seems cheap. So obviously for the price, this is expected. So let's see how this actually does, because I have my doubts, honestly. So okay, but not comparable to TT level. So guys, now up to this point, whatever the comparison we did, I am okay with that. Honestly, I'm okay. But guys, when we talk about wave dash, you can see this wave dash is a bit pointy, but this one is straight flat. So it's not gonna be a balance type driver, it's basically gonna be a pure attack type driver. So they made a driver totally different. This driver acts like more of a balance type, so, and it has a pretty good stamina because this very small point at the end. So that's what is missing here. So they changed pretty much the whole dynamic. Apart from that, the driver looks alright to me. And now this is where guys I am really not happy. Instead of Metal Extreme, they gave me Unite driver. I don't know if all the Flame versions are getting this or the Indian sellers are doing some cost cuttings. So this is not really good at all. I'm not saying Unite is bad or something, but it is not even close to this Metal Extreme. So this one is huge disappointment. Now coming to Metal Survive. So one thing I can say is at least they kept this metal part of the Metal Survive. But when it comes to tip, again they made it purely flat. But we can see this actual Metal Survive tip is pretty wide and it's pretty pointy at the very end, so that it could have a full lot of stamina. But this thing is missing out the pointy part. So in driver department they are not looking good at all. Now it comes down to very last part, and that is Quattro. So guys, Quattro is not looking good at all. Flames Quattro is giving me a lot of trouble when moving, but where Takara Tomy, you can see how smooth it is. And the build quality, obviously it's a Takara Tomy, so build quality is gonna be pretty epic. But there is one positive side I can say, that this part is rubber, it's not plastic at all. So Takara Tomy uses this transparent kind of a rubber, they are using this kind of a rubber. So at least good to see some rubber part. So it's gonna have some crazy attack, I guess. So guys, it's time to weigh these guys down. So let's do that. So guys, I brought my scale to weigh these guys down. So let's start. So first I'm gonna weigh Flame Astral Layer, that is 32.67 grams. Now Takara Tomy Astral Layer, that is 33.67 grams. So guys, Takara Tomy Astral Layer is 1 gram heavier. Now Nexus Gear from Flame, 4.37 grams. Now Takara Tomy, 4.32 grams. So somehow this Flame one is 0.05 grams heavier. Now let's try Over Disc. So Over Disc from Flame is 34.4 grams and Takara Tomy ones is 32.7 grams. So Flame Disc is 1 gram heavier. Now let's try Cyclone Belial. So first Flame one. So Flame Cyclone Belial is 27.63 grams and Takara Tomy Cyclone Belial layer is 29 grams. So approximately 1.5 or 2 grams heavier Takara Tomy layer. Now let's try Blitz. So now Blitz from Flame, that is 26.1 grams. Now Takara Tomy Disc, it's 28.89. So the Takara Tomy one is 28.8. So that is more than 2 grams heavier, approximately 2 to 3 grams. Now let's try Nexus. So Flame Nexus is 31.69 grams. So Takara Tomy one is 30.48. So I guess Flame's Nexus is 1 grams heavier. So I guess Nexus and Over both discs from Flame are 1 gram heavier. Let's try Wave Dash from Flame, 7 grams. Takara Tomy 8.3 grams, so that is 1.3 grams heavier. Now let's try Metal Survive. Flame 7.3 grams, Takara Tomy 7.7 grams, so that is 0.3 grams heavier, I guess. Now let's do a comparison between Unite and Metal Extreme. Unite would be 4.84 grams, Metal Extreme 7 grams, so that is a lot of difference. Now Flame Quattro would be 9.3. Takara Tomy Quattro would be 10.7, so that is a lot heavier, almost 1.5 grams heavier. So let's put together the bay, then let's weigh the whole bay. So guys, I have assembled the bay. It is using Quattro and Over Disc. So let's weigh Flame Astral Spriggan. So guys, Flame Astral Spriggan is 76.4 grams and Takara Tomy Astral Spriggan is 78.1 grams. So that is approximately 1.5 to 2 grams. Takara Tomy Astral is 1.5 to 2 grams heavier. Now Cyclone Belial from Flame. So Flame Cyclone Belial is 66.6 grams. Now Takara Tomy Cyclone Belial. Takara Tomy Cyclone Belial is 67.2. So roughly around 1 gram heavier. So I guess guys, Takara Tomy versions are 1 or 2 grams heavier, and that is expected. So guys, before we do any test battle, let me show you something. So guys, this is the Astral Spriggan from Flame and you can hear the clicks. Hear the clicks, guys. They are really not good. So that is the problem with Flame, and they will get more loose, guys. And if I'll show you the clicks of Takara Tomy, you can see the teeth clicking. They are pretty clear. So that's where Takara Tomy has an advantage, and same goes for Cyclone Belial as well. You can hear, right? So it's pretty loose, and it's gonna get more loose, I suppose. Now guys, for the Takara Tomy Cyclone Belial, you can hear the clicks, right? They are pretty good. So guys, that's where buying a Takara Tomy Bay has an advantage. So guys, before we do any battle, let me tell you a bit about this launcher. So obviously Indian sellers did a cost cutting. So instead of a DBLR launcher, they gave this Ripcord launcher, which is actually a sparking launcher. So you can see the sparks, right? So if you rip it pretty hard, you're gonna get sparks. So that's a sparking launcher. I'm not sure how this is gonna go, but for me it's not really usable, so I'm gonna skip this guy. So guys, let's not waste any more further time. Let's start the battle. So guys, our stadium is set up and we are ready for the battle. So this side we have Takara Tomy and this side we have Flame. So first we'll do a battle between Cyclone Belial. Then we're gonna do battle between both Astrals. So let's start with Cyclone Belial. So first I'm gonna launch Takara Tomy Cyclone Belial. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's rip! Now Flame, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's rip! So yes, I was expecting this, because the Cyclone Belial driver is not a stamina type, it's pretty flat. So it kind of became an attack type. Oh my god. So looks like Flame Cyclone Belial won. So this time I'm gonna launch Flame Cyclone Belial first, then I'm gonna launch Takara Tomy 1. Well, attack power is pretty good on Flame, but obviously the outer layer is not meant for as an attack type. So this time Takara Tomy Cyclone Belial won. So guys, I would say they are pretty comparable. Obviously this is supposed to be stamina type, but it is behaving more of a balance type. So on the Flame it is a little bit aggressive, but they are pretty comparable in terms of performance, I would say. So now we are ready for the main event, and that is Astral versus Astral. So first I'm gonna launch Takara Tomy Astral. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Let it rip! Yeah, that was boring battle, I guess. So, but still Takara Tomy Astral won. Let's give it another shot. Both are on attack mode. So guys, both Astrals are doing good according to me. So let's do one final battle. So guys, I got tired of them getting crazy around the stadium, so I have changed them to balance type, and let's do one last battle before we wrap up this video. So first, obviously I'm gonna launch Takara Tomy 1. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip! 3, 2, 1, let it rip! So even in balance type tip, the Flame one is pretty crazy. And still it was not able to knock out the Takara Tomy 1. So there is no doubt that TT1 is better, but still guys, let's give the fake guy a bit credit. I mean, it did good. So I guess it's alright to buy a fake Astral, but for the price, I don't think so it's worth it. So I spent like 2,500 rupees on this set, and so it cost almost half of the money what I paid to Takara Tomy. So guys, you let me know and tell me in the comment section, what do you think about it? Does 2.5k on this fake or 5k on this Takara Tomy? Which one is worth it? So guys, let me know your thoughts in comment section. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know your thoughts in comment section, and I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.